My name is Steven Tironi, and I'm the Marketing Director for BioTech Spray Solutions. And today I wanted to tell you a little bit more about the products that we use and then the products that you may use in your home. So we use completely organic, green, botanical for our disinfectant. Now, if you look at other botanicals and other green products, make sure you read all of the ingredients because a lot of those are really not green or environmentally friendly at all. But all of the products that we use are. And what's unique about our products is they're completely safe for your kids. They're great for food environments. They're safe for pets. Literally, you could spray your fruit to get fruit flies away and then eat your fruit with the botanical disinfectant that we use. After we treat with the disinfectant, we then move on to our antimicrobial. And the antimicrobial basically is just an agent that kills microorganisms. This is a product that, no, I would not spray and eat. I mean, it is completely safe, it is non-toxic, it doesn't leach, there's no VOCs, it's safe for pets and kids. However, the difference with this is once we have a clean surface, then we spray this on top of it and we let it dry. Without getting too technical, the second product that we use is an antimicrobial. Now, what you have to understand is a lot of people that are using alcohol and disinfectants, when you wipe that surface down, as soon as it dries and you touch it, the bacteria from your hand is now transferred onto the surface. So the difference between an antimicrobial is that now it's laying essentially a glass barrier. You can't see it, it's not tacky to the touch, but when you touch it, once it dries, it minimizes any kind of spread of bacteria and viruses. And bacteria and viruses spread 80% of the time through contact with your hands. And so what's so great about this is you have the long-lasting effect of it that will last up to 90 days. If you want to learn more about this and you guys need both products in your environment or you just want to have that barrier protection, you can give us a call. You can call our office. It's 904-610-9955.